Hi, welcome to High Tech Machinery Inc. Today we are going to give you a demo on a 1994 Haas VF-2 CNC vertical machining center. The machine is in a good condition. It has a umbrella style tool changer, Haas CNC control, 7500 RPM spindle on it. So it's in a good condition. So now we're going to give you the demo. Yes, sir.
1500.
Currently the machine is running on the 1500 RPM. X, Y, and Z, they all working simultaneously. Tool changer going on. $2,500 RPM. Another tool chain going on. $3,500 RPM. There are some helical interpolation going on. Helical interpolation. Another tool chain going on. $4,500 RPM. $6,000 RPM. Another tool chain. The machine is in a great condition. If you have any questions, you can call us at 913-306-1377. The machine can be inspected under power at our warehouse in Independence, Missouri. Thanks for watching.